सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page number 80. सुखं नित्यं स्वप्रकाशं व्यापकं नामरूपयोः अधिष्ठानं बुद्ध्यबोध्यं बुद्धेर्दृग्यस्तु निर्मलम् अपारं सर्ववेदान्त वेद्यं प्रत्यक्परं महः तदेवाहं नमस्तोऽन्यत् इति मे निश्चिता मतिः। Page number 80, topic number 138. ख्याति चतुष्टयम् रज्जु सर्प शुक्ति रजतादि ब्रह्म विषये मत चतुष्टयं श्रूयते तत्र शून्यवादी असत्ख्यातिम् आह क्षणिक विज्ञानवादी आत्मख्यातिमाचष्टे नैयायिकाः वैशेषिकाश्च अन्यथा ख्यातिम् आतिष्ठन्ते सांख्याः प्राभाकराश्च अख्यातिं वदन्ति। When the Guru said, in Vedanta angle, there is no dukkha or sorrow at all to eliminate. Elimination of dukkham or dukkha nivritti is moksha, is one of the definition of moksha according to us. Sukha prapti, one definition. Dukkha nivritti is another definition. These two definitions, one definition the student is asking about that. You are telling there is no dukkham at all. Student asking the Guru, Vedanta Guru. You are telling there is no dukkham at all to eliminate. Therefore, you need not work for the elimination of dukkham since it is not there in Atma. Then where it is there? It is there in the mind. If it is there in the mind, that is also because of adhyasa. There is dukkha in the mind is because of adhyasa. It is mithya, unreal only. What is that adhyasa? It is a bhranti, delusion. Out of delusion, you are having a feeling that there is sorrow. Then how is this adhyasa happens? Erroneous perception happens. When there is no dukkha, why I am experiencing dukkha. That experience of dukkham is there very much evident for me. You are telling there is no dukkha in me. I am not able to understand. Then Guru gave that example, Rajju Sarpa Drishtanta, where the person sees the snake where it is not. Atasmin tad buddhihi, where there is no snake. Atasmin, snake is not there. But tad buddhihi, snake buddhihi, a person is having, is it not delusion? In semi-darkness, not able to see the rope as rope, he is seeing the snake upon that. But because of that he is afraid of, he wants to run away, he is frightened. All this because of real snake or unreal snake? Unreal snake, superimposed snake. This is called Bhranti. This is called erroneous perception. Then Shishya asked, this example is very nice. Similarly, you are superimposing dukkha upon yourself where it is not. For that Shishya is asking, to understand that Dashtanta, in me there is no dukkham at all, I need not eliminate dukkham. To understand that Dashtanta, please explain this erroneous perception, how it happens, what is the mechanism? Exactly, please tell me and explain me. And he enumerated, the student himself enumerated 4 types of erroneous perceptions are there. You please explain about them. He is giving only names. Student is able to give the name only, but he do not know what it is exactly happening. The Guru has to explain. And what are all names we saw in the last class? 4 names he has given and 4 philosophers. What I introduced in the last class, Rajju Spuranam Vina Sarpa Spuranam. Not seeing the rope as rope. Appearance of the snake and experience of the snake put together, Spuranam. Sarpa Spuranam. Appearance of the snake and experience of the snake. What is the difference between appearance and experience? Once it appears only, you get experience. Without appearance, you cannot get experience, anubhava. So in the Spuranam, there are 2 things. Sarpa Darshanam, Sarpa Anubhava, put together Sarpa Spuranam. Sarpa Darshanam, snake appearance. Sarpa Anubhava, snake experience. Put together Sarpa Spuranam. Then second step is Sarpa Jnanam, the utterance of the statement Abhivadanam. Sarpaha Asti. The statement is called Sarpa Abhivadanam, not Abhivadam. Okay? You cannot do salutations to the snake. You want to run away. Abhivadanam, there is a snake statement. Sarpa Abhivadanam. This Sarpa Spuranam and this Sarpa Abhivadanam is known as Khyati. Khyati means Sarpa Spuranam Sarpa Abhivadanam. Put together Khyati. Whoever talks about this Sarpa Spuranam, Sarpa Abhivadanam, it is called Khyati Vadaha. Khyati Vada. Now this Khyati Vada, Sarpa Spuranam, Sarpa Abhivadanam is divided into 4 divisions by 4 philosophers. I said I'll give you the shloka for this Khyati Panchakam. There another one more is final one, Anirvachaniya Khyatihi, given by Advaitin. In this paragraph only 4 are given, but Nichaladasa introduced the 5th one also later. The shloka, if you are interested, you can note down. First line, Atma Khyatihi Rasatkyatihi. Atma Khyati Rasatkyatihi. First line. Second line, Akhyatir Khyatirannyatha. Akhyatir Khyatirannyatha. Then third line, Tatha Nirvachaniya Khyatihi. Tatha Nirvachaniya. Tatha Nirvachana Khyatihi. Third line. Fourth line, Ityetat Khyati Panchakam. Iti etat Khyati Panchakam. First line says Atma Khyatihi number 1, Asat Khyatihi number 2, Akhyatihi number 3, Anyatha Khyatihi number 4. Then Tatha Anirvachana Khyatihi. Anirvachana Khyatihi, 5th one. Iti etat Khyati Panchakam. But the order given here is first one given as Asat Khyatihi. Atma Khyati Rasat Khyatihi. That Asat Khyati taken as first one in this paragraph. Now, who are those philosophers? Now look into the paragraph. Khyati Chatushtayam. 4 types of Khyati Vada regarding Rajju Sarpa. Rajju, snake, rope, Sarpa, snake, Shukti, shell, Rajata, silver, Adipadat, Mrigatrishna, etc. Brahma Vishaye. There is a Brahma regarding that. Brahma means superimposition. Seeing snake upon the rope, seeing silver upon the shell, seeing water on the sand. Brahma Vishaye. Mata Chatushtayam. There are 4 types of opinions. Shruyate. O Guru, we hear that. Shruyate. Tatra. Number 1 is Shunyavadi Asatkyatim Aha. Shunyavadi, one type of Buddhist. Madhyamika Buddhist. There are 4 varieties in Buddhism itself. We saw all this in Brahma Sutra elaborately. Madhyamika Buddhist called Shunyavadi. He talks about Asatkyatim Aha. Aha means he talked about Asatkhyati. Then Kshanika Vijnanavadi, Yogachara Buddhist. Kshanika Vijnanavadi. Even Dakshinamurti Stotram also we saw elaborately in Manasollasa also. Endha Yugathila Padichamo Gnapakavillana. Manasollasa. Yogachara Buddhist talks about Kshanika Vijnanavadi. He is known as Atma Kyatim Achaste. Achaste means he mentions. Then third one, Nayyayika and Vaiseshikaha. Another 2 more philosophers. Nayyayika is logicians. Vaiseshika of Kanada Muni, another philosopher by Kanada. His system is known as Vaisheshika system. Then what they said, Anyatha Kyatim Atishtante. They hold on to Atishtante, they hold on to this view of Anyatha Khyatihi. Then fourth opinion by Sankhyaha Prabhakarascha. So Anyatha Khyati by two systems of philosophers, Nyaya and Vaiseshika. And Akhyatihi by Sankhya and Prabhakara Matam, two philosophers. Sankhya we know, that also we saw in Brahma Sutra. Kapila Muni, Sankhya philosophy of Kapila Muni. Then another is Prabhakaraha. Prabhakara is not, we have not seen much elaborately, but you can know this much. Purva Mimamsa Shastram, propounded by, that is given in Veda Purva Bhaga, that is brought out by, expanded and popularized by Kumarila Bhatta. Kumarila Bhatta. That Kumarila Bhatta's Puramimamsaka Matam is called Bhatta Matam, because on his name only it is popularized. He talks about karma vehemently, upasana karma, which we are seeing in Naishkarmya Siddhi class. Prabhakara Matam. Prabhakara is the disciple of Kumarila Bhatta. Kumarila Bhatta is the one who popularized this Puramimamsa of Veda, Puramimamsaka, we can call him. That Kumarila Bhatta Matam is called Bhatta Matam. That Bhatta Matam who studied under him is called Prabhakara. He is a disciple. Kumarila Bhatta, disciple Prabhakara. That Prabhakara Matam is Prabhakaram. Prabhakara Mimamsa means Prabhakara, the student of Kumarila Bhatta, he is having different views. Kumarila Bhatta and Prabhakara, they are having few differences of opinions. So even great scholars, they are very honest, intellectual honest. I need not nod my head whatever my guru says. I can have my own opinion also, the student establishes. Not that out of arrogance or saying that my guru is wrong, not like that. They study under the guru, very much they accept their guru's teaching, and they introduce their own views from their own standpoint. This is my view, they say. That much freedom was given to the students, disciples. That's why we never call this as a cult. Whatever my guru says, I need not accept everything. Certain ideas I can differ, I have freedom of differing. There is a freedom. If at all I have my own view, I can introduce. Guru says, okay. Really speaking, Madhvacharya's guru, Ramanujacharya's guru, they were strong Advaitins. They taught only Advaitam. You go and read that Ramanujacharya's biography and Madhvacharya biography. I am teaching for students, Kalakshetra students, that is the subject. Last class I took the biography of Ramanuja, and next class is biography of Madhvacharya. If you look into that biography, their teachers were strong Advaitins. They taught Advaita, they learned Advaita, And this Madhvacharya and Ramanujacharya brought out Dvaita philosophy. We accept Advaitam, but we don't want to propagate Advaitam. We propagate only Dvaita philosophy. They have written books and books on Dvaitam. This is called, you can surrender to your Guru, not your intellect. Intellect you need not surrender to your Guru. If you have any view, you can say tomorrow people will decide whether your view is wrong or not. Public will decide later. But you have your own freedom to introduce your view. But the time will decide, later generations will decide how far you are true, how far you are not true, up to what extent you are true. Kala will decide. That's why in Hinduism we allow everyone, not that we accept everyone. Understand? In Brahma Sutra we saw that all philosophies, 11 philosophies we have done thorough study, and happily Vyasacharya negate one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. With understanding, with clarity, not out of hatred, not out of criticism, but analysis, seeing the loopholes and logical fallacies. Therefore, they cannot be correct. They are correct only up to some extent, not totally, absolutely. That is called intellectual genius. So, intellectually, you need not surrender to anyone. You should know what is what, why I am accepting Advaita, why Dvaita, why Visishta Advaita. You must have thorough knowledge. What for what? It depends upon your own choice. No teacher will compel. You can see the outcome later, what is you are going to get, you understand later. Clear? That is why we analyze all systems. We never close. குதிரைக்கு அப்படி கண்ணு கட்டிடுவேன், இந்த பக்கம் அந்த பக்கம் பார்க்காம. அந்த மாதிரி கிடையாது. Even though we are studying all philosophies thoroughly, final choice is yours. That's why after teaching everything, Lord Krishna said, Arjuna, yatha ichchasi tatha kuru, he said. This much I have taught. You must listen whatever I said, Arjuna. Otherwise, I will use that curse to you. Shalala Krishna. After teaching elaborately, Lord Krishna said to Arjuna, hey Arjuna, my job is over. What is dharma, what is adharma, what to do, what not to do, I have given everything. Now you decide whether to fight in this battlefield or not. You decide. Yatha ichchasi tatha kuru. That is that honesty of every sampradaya guru. That sampradaya guru, once he gives freedom, the disciple should not abuse it. If they abuse, they are only the losers. That's why Guru never compel, have no right to compel, really speaking. Now Nischala Dasa presenting all the Khyatis and how they are fallacious, he established finally how Vedantins Anirvachanaya Khyatihi alone is the correct. He establishes. That is what we are studying very elaborately. Very important portion. Sankhyaha prabhakarascha akhyatim vadanti. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we go to 139. Now first onwards, from asathyati onwards we have to take up. Asathyatihi tannasas तन्नासाख्यातिमङ्गीकुर्वतां तत्रासख्यातिम् अङ्गीकुर्वतां शून्यवादिनाम् एवमाशयः रज्जौ तावत् सर्पोऽत्यन्तम् असत् सर्पोऽत्यन्तमसत् सर्पः अत्यन्तमसत् तथा इदानीम् अत्रापि वल्मीकादौ अपि सर्पः अत्यन्तमसन्नेव एवमत्यन्तासतः सर्पस्य प्रतीति रज्जौ भवति इममेवासख्यातिमाहुः शून्यवादिनः अत्यन्तासतः सर्पस्य ख्यातिः स्फुरणमभिवदनं च असत्ख्यातिरिति. What is asathyati? Asathyati means tatra asathyatim angīkurvatam. Those people who talk about asathyati vada. Angīkurvatam means who talk about, for whom the asathyati is acceptable. Angīkurvatam. Who are they? Shunyavadinam. Shunyavadis, who are called Madhyamika Buddhists. Ashayaha evam. Their opinion is this. Ashayaha means their opinion or view. What is that? Rajjau tavat sarpaha atyanta asan. Upon the Rajju rope, snake is not at all there. Snake is not at all. Appearance is also not there. Anubhava also is not correct. I don't accept snake appearance. Snake appearance I don't accept. Snake experience also I don't accept. There is snake statement also I don't accept. That is called Atyanta Asad. Absolute non-acceptance of rope snake. I don't accept. Asat khyati. Asat means non-existent. Khyati means erroneous perception. Erroneous perception is not there. I told you in the last class, one philosopher won't accept us erroneous perception. I said in the last class, this person only. Okay. Atyanta asat means Trikale api nasti. At 3 periods of time, snake was not there, is not there, will not be there. Tatha idanim atra api. Similarly, here also, just like that, he gives an example. Valmīkādau api. Valmīka means ant hill. Ant hill. Ant, erumbu. Snake is staying where? Puttu. That puttu is not made by snake. It is manufactured by, constructed by ant. Not ant, ant. Sarpaha atyanta asanneva. Even that ant hill also there is no snake at all. Even in ant hill also there is no snake. Upon the rope also there is no snake appearance. There is no snake experience. There is no snake is their statement also. I don't accept it. Atyanta asanna eva. Asan, not there. Evam atyantasataha sarpasya, when such a non-existent, eternally non-existent snake, atyantasat, not at all there, of that sarpa, pratiti rajjau bhavati. That which is not there, that snake only appearing for this person who is making the statement. One person is making the statement, there is snake. When this person is making a statement, what type of statement is that? That statement is wrong, that snake is not there at all. Okay, it is not there upon the rope. Can it be there in that ant hill? It is also not there. Snake is not there in ant hill also. That is why atyanta asat, totally non-existent snake at any time. இப்போ நம்ம பாம்பு பார்க்குறாமன்னு அவர் சொன்னால் அது இல்லை, நீ தப்பாக பார்க்குறேன்னு சொல்கிறான். இவன் சூன்யவாதிலையோ, ஃபார் சூன்யவாதி எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் சூன்யம், absent only he talks about. That is why sarpaha atyanta asataha, asataha sarpasya pratitihi rajjau bhavati. That eternally non-existent snake alone is appearing to this person which is not there at all, which was not there, which is not there, which can never be there. But this person is saying how wrong it is. Shunyavadi arguing. Bhavata imam evam eva asathyati mahuhu sunyavadinaha. This alone is called asathyati according to Sunyavadis. Atyanta asataha sarpasya, when that asataha atyanta, which is not there at all at any period of time, that sarpa, khyatihi, he is showing that is sasti tatpurusha samasa. Atyanta asataha sarpasya khyatihi Sfuranam abhivadanam, its experience, its appearance and its statement abhivadanam, both are asathyati riti. They are, that is called asathyati. What? Talking about a non-existent, eternally non-existent snake appearance, eternally non-existent snake experience, eternally non-existent snake, it is there. All this come under asathyati. Okay, now next one, second one, 140. Atmakhyatihi vijnanavadinaha abhiprayaha tu rajjau va anyatra va buddhir bahihi putrachidapi na sarposti evam sakala padarthaha api na buddhehi bahirvartante buddhireva sakala padarthanam akaran dhatte sacha buddhihi kshanika vijnana rupa pratikshanam utpatti vinashashani yad vijnanam tadeva sarpatmana avabhasate yam atmakhyati varnyate atma kshanika vijnana rupa buddhihi तस्याः ख्यातिः स्फुरणमभिवदनं च आत्मख्यातिरिति. First time when I was listening this Khyativada, so mind-boggling, very, very difficult to, very simple only, but the words, the way they talk, very, very terse it looks. Therefore, it takes time to assimilate slowly. Certain things are very simple, but takes time to assimilate. Okay. Atmakhyatihi Vijnanavadinah Abhiprayah tu Kshanika Vijnanavadi. Vijnanavadi means Kshanika Vijnanavadi, Yogachara Buddhist. He talks about Atmakhyatihi, erroneous perception. What name he gives in Atmakhyatihi? What is he says? Rajjova Anyatrava Buddhehe Bahihi. Upon the Rajju rope or some other place, Anyatrava or some other place. Buddhehe Bahihi. Buddhi means here Vijnanam. Buddhi means Vijnanam. Vijnanam means consciousness. Consciousness, that which is continuously flowing in the form of thought. Kutra jatapina sarpaha asti. Buddhehe bhahihi. Out of buddhi, the consciousness, there is no other than the thought, there is no sarpa at all outside. Kutra jatapina sarpaha asti. Other than buddhehe bahihi, other than buddhi means consciousness or vijnanam. He calls consciousness as vijnana. That too kshanika vijnanam, momentary consciousness. Kshanika means momentary. Who talks about that consciousness is momentary consciousness? Puja Swami says, beep beep thought, beep beep consciousness. Beep beep consciousness and another one the point consciousness. According to him, Vijnanam means buddhi. Buddhi means consciousness. Or you can take Vijnanam means consciousness. Consciousness is buddhi. Buddhi means thought. In every thought, consciousness rises, and the thought goes, consciousness dies. This also we saw elaborately. Buddhihi evam sakala padarthaha api na buddhehe bahihi vartante. Buddhehe bahihi, out of and external to consciousness. All padarthas, they are not existing at all. Other than consciousness, there are no outside objects. Evam, in this manner, outside external rope is not there, external snake is not there. Sakala padartha, not only rope, snake, any padartha you take, all objects api, buddhehe bahi, bahihi means external, buddhehe, from out of consciousness. External means what? Outside consciousness. External to consciousness, buddhehe, bahihi, bahihi, outside, na vartante, that na you have to supply here. Na vartante, they are not there outside. What is not there? According to him, house is not there, mic is not there, fan is not there, man is not there, woman is not there. You know, all are outside the consciousness. Whatever you see outside consciousness, they are not there. What to talk of rope snake? Nothing is there outside consciousness. Therefore, rope illai, snake-um illai. Buddhireva, then what is there? He says, buddhihi eva. Buddhi means thought. Thought alone, sakala padarthanam akaran dhatte. Thought alone is getting the form of that object. Clip thought. There is no clip, only clip thought is there. There is no pot. There is no pot, only pot thought is there inside. There is no mic, only mic thought is there inside. There is no fan outside, there is no fan thought inside. That is his philosophy. Kshanika Vijnana Rupa. Kshanika Vijnana means momentary thoughts. Clip thought comes, clip thought goes. Fan thought comes, fan thought goes away. Kshanika Vijnana Rupa. All are beep beep consciousness. I am conscious of clip, then what? I am conscious of fan. What happened? Clip consciousness gone. Then I see a phone consciousness. What happened? Fan consciousness gone. Sun, I saw my sun consciousness. And daughter comes, daughter consciousness. What happened to sun consciousness? Gone. That's why Kshanika Vijnana Rupa Vrittihi. Pratikshanam Utpatti Vinasha Shali. This thought is what? Is it permanent? Brother thought, mother thought, food thought, house thought. Namak nanna theriyume Swamini. Idella permanent ille. So all thought Utpatti Vinasha. Utpatti Vinasha. Thought rise and disappear. Yat Vijnanam, that Kshanika Vijnanam, Tadeva Satpatmana Ayam Bhasate. That alone, Satpatmana Avabhasate. That alone, thought alone appears as Sarpa outside. There is no Sarpa. There is no rope also. There is no Sarpa also. Your consciousness in the form of thought, it sees the snake outside. Thought alone is that. There is no Sarpa outside, only Dalla Purapakshi. Okay. There is only snake thought. Snake thought upon the rope thought. Okay, all these are all thoughts only. Varnyante. Yam Atmakyatiriti Varnyate. What do you mean by Atma? Atma is equal to Kshanika Vijnana Rupa Buddhihi. Atma is nothing but a momentary consciousness. Momentary consciousness which is in the form of thought. Why that thought comes outside? Snake thought comes from inside. Why snake appears? Because of thought. This thought is what? Momentary consciousness. Why this momentary consciousness makes that appearance of that snake and karma? Because of your karma, your prarabdha. He says, he accepts. Buddhists, they accept karma siddhanta. This is a tagrare. The problem is they are all offshoots of Hinduism only. Buddhism, Jainism, all of them are offshoots of Hinduism. Vaidika dharma, appudu pochi buddhi. Vakrama poyittanna. Adukku followers. எல்லாம் நாஸ்திக மதம். ஆஸ்திகம்லாம் இருக்க, இது வழக்கு கணக்கு மாதிரி. விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம், துவைத்தம் இதெல்லாம் தாண்டி தாண்டி நம்ம 12வது எங்கே அத்வைத்தம் உத்தர மீமாம்சை பிடிக்கிறது ஜென்ம ஜென்மாஸ் தாண்டி வரணும். அப்பா அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் வர முடியாது. மனுஷ்யானாம் சஹஸ்ரேஷு ஆன் ஃபிங்கர் டிப்ஸ் கம் அண்ட் சிட். 11 systems of philosophers you have to hurdle game மாதிரி தான். ஒரு philosopher ஒரு hurdle game. அங்கே hurdles இருக்கும் தெரியுமா? You have to jumping வந்து தாண்டி இது புரியறதுக்கு You have to take many janmas. நீங்கெல்லாம் தாண்டி வந்துட்டேன். அதுதான் எல்லாம் அந்த ஹர்டில்ஸ் தாண்டி வந்ததுனால தான் யூ ஆர் ஏபிள் டு சிட் இன் த கிளாஸ். ஓகே. ஆத்மா க்ஷணிக விஜான ரூபா புத்தி தஸ்யாஹ ख्यातिः तस्याः आत्मनः ख्यातिः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास. ख्यातिः आत्मनः तस्याः आत्मनः ख्यातिः is equal to स्फुरणम् अभिवदनं च आत्मख्यातिरिति. What is this now? Atmakhyati means there is no rope at all, there is no snake at all. It is only in the form of thought inside. That thought is momentary consciousness. Next one. Anyatha khyatihi tatra nayyayika vaisheshikanam matam वल्मीकादौ पारमार्थिक सर्पोस्ति व्यवहितोऽपि सः सर्पश्चक्षुषा गृह्यते. सर्पचक्षुषा गृह्यते चक्षुर्गतदोषबलात् व्यवहितोऽपि सर्पः पुरतः चक्षुः सन्निकृष्टः भाति. पारमार्थिकसर्पस्य चक्षुषश्च मध्ये उड्यादिरूप व्यवधानसत्त्वेऽपि दोषसचिवश्चक्षुषा व्यवहितसर्पोऽपि गृह्यत एव. अन्यथा ख्याति. Now third one. Who are holding this view? Anyatha khyatihi. Tatra, with regard to anyatha khyati, nayyayika logicians, vaiseshikas, another system of philosophers, matam, their opinion. What is that? What they say? Valmikadau, in ant hill, paramarthika sarpaha asti. There is real snake. There is real snake. Paramarthika here not paramarthika atma. Okay, vyavaharika sarpaha ityarthaha. Nagula Chaturthi, that time, Naga Chaturthi, you pour milk in that. So real sarpaha asti. Clear? Vyavaharika satya sarpaha asti. Paramarthika hanna really. Conventionally we take it as vyavaharika sarpaha. व्यवहिते अपि सः सर्पः चक्षुषा गृह्यते. Even though it is vyavahitah means beyond the range, even though it beyond to my range of my eyes, chakshushaha vyavahitepi, even though it is beyond my range of my eyes, but I grasp the snake. When I see that Valmikam, I am not seeing the snake, but do I have that snake thought or not? Vyavahitaha va na va. When I see immediately ant hill, what comes in the mind? Pambu. And the ant hill wall irukkalaiyo kuddiyam enna wall. It is like a wall, it is stronger than our wall. Have you seen any time? If you go to ashramas, you can see big hand hills in the house height, the wall height. You cannot, big spade with you cannot hit that. Very strong bulldozer to demolish that much strong. That when you look at that, immediately snake appears in front of you. Chakshushaha Chakshusha Grihyate. Eyes are able to grasp that snake. Chakshurgata dosha valat vyavahitaha api sarpaha. Even though it is vyavahitaha, when there is dosha in eyes, chakshur dosha balat, because of that there is a deficiency in eyes, the real snake appears. Purtaha chakshus sannikrishtaha bhati. It appears in front of you. Even though eyes are weak, they have dosha, it appears in front of you. Eyes, bhati means appears. Eyes can see that. Eyes contact with that snake. Even though there is a dosha in your eyes, but eyes contact with the rope. Paramarthika sarpasya chakshusaccha madhye. Between that real rope or snake and eyes, between you, kutyadirupa vyavadhana sattve api. Now there is a wall. Here is a wall. That side snake is there. And you are here. Your eyes are not seeing the snake. But some people are telling snake, snake, snake. Palm, palm. Your eyes are seeing the snake or not? Your eyes are seeing the snake. Immediately snake form comes in your mind. No, takkan sollitam paaruங்க. Farmo ennamo and the kannukku அந்த வால் அந்த பக்கம் ஸ்னேக் இருக்கு, கண்ணு இங்க இருக்கு. Between wall is there, but snake word if you listen, immediately snake form comes in your eyes. புரியுறதா? ஏதோ பெரிய இன்டெலிஜென்ட் பீப்புள், these are all not ordinary people. பாருங்க எப்படி திங்க் பண்றாங்கன்னு. குட்டியா ஆதி means குட்டியா means wall. Adipadat, any curtain you can take, any curtain that obstructs the snake and my eyes. Api, obstacle like a screen or curtain, dosha sachiva chakshusha. That eyes which are having some dosha. Dosha means some jaundice or that cataract problem, some short sight, long sight, some problem is there, suppose eyes. Dosha sahita. Sachiva means sahita ityartha. Associated with. That eyes which are associated with long sight, short sight, some problem. Vyavahita sarpaha api grihyate eva. Even though that is obstructed by wall or a curtain or anything, grihyate eva. People grasp that snake in their mind. Now Purvapakshi comes. He is objecting this argument. How he is objecting? Next page, we will read. Page number 81. Same topic. Purvapakshi is going to ask him. Illa the palm eppadi thonu. How when wall is there, how eyes can see? That too when eyes have defect. He is asking now. We will read. Nanu dosha samadhanena vastunah samarthya hanireva drishyate na vruddhihi yatha vata pitta kapadi doshaihi jhataragnehe ashita pita pachana shaktihi kuntita bhavati tatha timiradi doshaischa chakshushaha shaktirapi कुंठित एव भवेत् किञ्च यदि वल्मीकस्य सर्पः दोषसहितचक्षुषा गृह्यते तर्हि शुद्धनेत्रेण व्यवहितवस्तुप्रत्यक्षं न भवति किन्तु दुष्टनेत्रेण एव इति वक्तव्यम् तस्मात् दोषसहितचक्षुषः सामर्थ्ये वर्धत इत्यत्र दृष्टान्तः नास्तीति चेत्. First of all, what you say I don't accept, because Purvapakshi, Nanu, somebody comes and argues with this person who is talking about this snake experience. He is asking dosha samavadhanena vastuna. Once the vastu, a snake or something else, anything, vastuna, dosha samavadhani, when there is dosha sambandha is there. Samavadhana means sambandha. Samarthya hanireva drishyate. The capacity to see must be reduced. Samarthya hani means once eyes have got dosha, normally eyes cannot see. Samarthya hanihi. Hanihi means eyes cannot see when they have dosha. This is our experience. Drishyate na vriddhihi. Eyes can see very well when the dosha is there. That's what he said. Even dosha is there, eyes can see the snake. He said, now Purvapakshi is asking, eyes normal irkumbodhu nalla paakran sollalam. Eyes are not healthy, eyes are having dosha, still they see very well. Ennappa, why you are telling like this? Na vriddhihi, they cannot see better way. Yatha vata pitta kaphadi doshaihi. Just like when there is vatam, pitta, according to Ayurveda, vata means when you have air jasti, vata problem solva. Pitta means agni, fire, pitta problem. Kapha means jalam, sambandham, dosham or kapham. Adi doshaihi jataragnehi. Once this vata pitta kapha are there, normally jataragni mandama irukka vairan solluvaanga. Mandama irukka vairan ennartham? Either because of some vata or pitta kapha, your food you are not able to digest. What is that? Jataragnehi asita pita pachana shakti. When you eat food, your digestion capacity is very less because of three doshas. Correct? Your digestive capacity is reduced. Asita means eaten food. Pita means whatever you drink, even ganji also you cannot digest properly. What to talk of idli? You cannot digest. Pachana shakti means digesting power normally reduced because of kuntitaha bhavati. My digestive power is very, very less, people say. Why? You go to Ayurveda doctor, you have vatam or you have pittam, you have kapam. That is why you are not able to digest. Idudha solrara. Dosha irkumbodhu. Tatha. Similarly, timiradi doshaihi. Kacha kamal, jaundice, cataract, timiradi. Some people cannot see in the night. The rechi kati ani solluva Telugula. Night evening annale one kannu kaanadu. Daytime nalla paapa. Adi padathu. Just chakshushaha shaktihi api kuntitaiva bhavet. Eyes are also not able to see properly when they have these eye problems. Naturally. Kincha yadi वल्मीकस्थसर्पः दोषसहितचक्षुषा गृह्यते. Now he gives that example. Example of what? Rope snake. So that comes later. That means these 3 lines is that Khyātivādi's example, Rajju Sarpa example. These 3 lines, first 3 lines, he gave Purvapakshi. He gave the example of indigestion of the food. Similarly, eye problems now you cannot see, you cannot digest. Adu how you are telling like this, he is going to argue. That we will see in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari